Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money in CryptoGuru app, or in other words, how to understand the withdrawals in CryptoGuru app. Launch the CryptoGuru app on your device. You might notice a balance like $30,000 displayed on the main screen. It's crucial to know that this balance is virtual. If you see your virtual balance under your funds, it means the money isn't real. Because CryptoGuru functions as a trading simulator, it's designed for practice, not real transactions. The app uses simulated funds to mimic the trading experience without financial risk. Simply put, no, since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It's all part of the simulation to provide a learning environment. If anyone suggests you can withdraw real money from CryptoGuru, be wary. It's likely a scam, as the app is strictly for simulation purposes only. CryptoGuru is a valuable tool for learning and practicing crypto trading without financial risk. Remember, the balance is virtual, making it a safe platform to enhance your trading skills without the worry of losing real money. So, beware and understand really strictly you can't withdraw money from CryptoGuru because it's just virtual money. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.